the second to last thing I will be talking about, slope-intercept form. I do have an example to show what this does. So it says find the slope and the y-intercept given these points. So we're given the coordinates of 0 and -2, and then 4 and 1. And we will be using this to find the slope and the y-intercept. And FYI, the y-intercept is b and the slope is m. So that's how we're doing this. And so we're going to be doing y1 minus y2, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this is where we got that. And then our answer is 3/4. And then to find b, an easy thing is that one of the coordinates was already 0 and then -2, so we didn't have to solve for b, so that's where we got -2. And so the y equals mx equation is now y equals 3/4 x minus 2. 3/4 is the slope, which is rise over run, and then -2 is the y-coordinate. This is where the line touches the y-axis, and I do have a link to show what that looks like. So as you can see, guys, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can all see this. It's touching -2, and the line is going to go down and across 4, and then up, and then across 4 again, and this is how this line is created. So that's how that's created. And then now I'm going to be showing you what I was talking about in the second slide of where the graphs were, was how to find the x coordinates and the y coordinates given this equation. And to do that, like I said before, you have to make one of the variables 0, so then you can solve for the other one. So in this case, we're solving for x, the x coordinate. So we made y 0, so now it's 2x plus 3y times 0 equals 12. Since anything times 0 is 0, that is out of the equation because it's not going to affect anything. So now we just have 2x equals 12, and then dividing by 2 to isolate x, and dividing 12 by 2 we get 6. So x equals 6, meaning the x coordinate is 6. That is how you find the x coordinate. Moving on to trying to find the y coordinate, we make x 0, so now it's 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 12. Again, anything times 0 is 0. So including that, we have 3y equals 12, y equals 4, because we divided 3y by 3, and then 12 by 3, giving us 4. So now the y coordinate is 4, so it's now 0, 4, giving us the y coordinate. So my presentation on linear equations, I hope you enjoyed this and now understand how they work and how they're graphed and what they look like. Thank you.